Hi guys, welcome to M3J Media TV. It's your host Angie and the man himself M3J. So today we'll be rating all those albums that have been dropped so far this year. How many albums do you have?
I think we've got 6. Holy 10 Ngidi, 2 from Japreza, 2 from Holy 10, 1 from Ngidi, the other one from Holy 10. So we're going to be rating them according to us, Angie and M3J. So make sure you stay tuned. Okay, so Angie, what's your take on these albums Abuda so far?
Japreza is the god, my guy. Chero zikaita sei isitolo zoti Japreza nozhinja muZimbabwe. Hakuna nokunja iyo kuma albums esai. Uchoro kapikisana we all know kuti Japreza is the god.
Mira sanela kure. Katara ni chuma. Akabuda chuma albums intikizika. Akainonolocha bulawani warari but paura song alichiremerera yo.
Aye wa. Aye waita wani ndo yakashika kwa u. Iwa usikuzie. Wani ndo iwa wala.
Comment section ichatita but when with album rakapiyeka. You could redeem album na kuti for number 1 pani Eureka ratha kubona ukuthi so sithatha mangoma esiyapo isakari ndiba pani
esakari my great changu za my
utoriziya imagine album wakati ndongoziya yiti rara Japreza nichiremere nemwe uti
wangu wakarara kosisilia wisiye wangu wakarara aisiamutana changu ndiyame manje ausikuziya kuitika
inangwa ndisi but number 2 manje kuti number 2 kita uno
ayewa mira tangira pekuti you good boys to me it was just an apology was Nkomana ngava mthayi to put it down because ukuthi Book of Malachi was a flop and Nkomana badzo kwa master Nkomana badzo kwa master kurandegerera achita it to put it down badzo to think about the boys ipapo I agree with you because akati ndakanzwa izvi akakumbura ndegerera which is why saka you good boys yeah, I totally agree with you. Number 2 is one of the best new artists we get from the
Number 2, New Bulu Boys. M3J Media Number 3, number 4, Japreza these flop albums. Chiremere, but Chiremere, I know that.
Funny, good flop because the only go to jump at Chiremere. I pay so much on to guys, till them comment section. You see, maybe not from what in the my albums.
Music, some yari.
Who you guys say my feelings because you come and we go mafia. Now we my feelings, but M3J are biased. Guys, be honest.
I'm much already too bad.
Comment section and see.
So thank you guys. Make sure to subscribe, like and share with your friends and families. Be out.
Boom.